How did you feel about the Mother's Day celebration at the school today? Were you satisfied with the activities or events organized for today?
Of course, more than satisfied. Satisfied is a small word. It reminded me of my school days. I enjoyed thoroughly, danced with toddlers, learned a lot. There was some information which was for me also as a learning that why Mother's Day is celebrated and the way it is being conducted so nicely, so organized, so beautifully. I really loved it. Enjoyed every bit of it. So for me, best part was when my son receiving the certificate and I am giving the first prize because once we are into our career and once we are in our family life, we kind of forget all these things, doing craft and using these stress busters for ourselves. Because of the school's initiative, I was able to enjoy some time with my kids. Having appreciated, I felt very good. Reminded me of my days, missing my teachers in school. So it's like a family. I mean, over here I don't feel the school scenario is there. For me and for my child, I think we are thoroughly blessed to be a part of this team. The mentors, Miraman, Rani, everyone which we meet, everyone is so warm. I do have words to show my gratitude towards the functions which you guys have conducted and your hard work, your efforts were visible to us, clearly.
How did you feel about the Mother's Day celebration at the school?
Very nice and very special. I felt very special. I think most of the mothers also felt very, very special there.
Were you satisfied with the activities and events organized for Mother's Day?
Absolutely.
Did you feel appreciated and valued as a mother during the celebration?
Yes, I think it should be done more in more schools, and I'm very happy. I'm very glad to be part of it.
Did Chiara enjoy participating in Mother's Day activities?
Especially the dress and everything. She put in a lot of effort.